Hello and welcome to the Inspire Academy Elementary English, Unit 3. In this unit, we will learn about making plans. We will ask questions, suggest activities, make other suggestions, and we'll learn about possessive adjectives. Making plans. Here is how a sentence is structured for asking questions. What is the question is what plus do you or does he or does she or do they want to do? For example, when plus do you or does he or does she or do they want to go? For example, where plus do you, does he, does she, do they want to meet? Those are how the sentences for asking questions are set up. The best way to learn how to ask questions is to simply ask questions. What do you like doing on the weekend? Or what do you like doing at the weekend? Or when does he play football? Or where do they drink coffee? Asking questions. Making plans and answering questions. Possible answers for what? For example, what do you enjoy doing? I enjoy going to the market. I like going to the beach. What do you enjoy doing? My favorite hobby is to read. What do you enjoy doing? I love going to restaurants, but I hate cooking. I like eating pizza, but I don't like eating Brussels sprouts. When? When do you want to go out? Or when do you like going out? I like going out on Saturdays. I like going out every weekend. I go out whenever I can. I like to go out anytime. I like to go out every morning, every afternoon, and every evening. Where? Where do you like to go? Or where do you want to meet? Let's meet at home. Let's meet in a bar. Let's all meet at school. Let's all meet at the beach. Why don't we all meet in my garden? Let's meet in my town or my city. Activities. Some activities that you can do are shopping, surfing, dancing, eating, watching TV, horse riding, drawing, driving, singing, and meeting friends. Here are some sentences that show what people like and what they do not like, or what they want to do or what they don't want to do. They're positive and negative sentences. My friend likes surfing. She does not like watching TV. Do you want to go swimming? No, thanks. I'm meeting friends after work. Do you like singing or dancing? I like both singing and dancing. Hi, do you want to watch the football game at my house or at the stadium? Okay, I'll meet you tomorrow at the stadium. See you soon. Bye. Making suggestions. How about we go riding to the ice cream store for ice cream at 10 o'clock? Here's another example. How about eating an ice cream this afternoon? How about walking to school tomorrow? You use the verb plus ing. You indicate the place, you add a noun, and you add the time. How about eating ice cream this afternoon? How about riding to the ice cream store to eat ice cream tomorrow morning? How about walking to school tomorrow? There's another way of making a suggestion. It is, do you want to ride to the coffee shop at 8 a.m. or at 8 o'clock in the morning? Do you want to ride to the coffee shop at 8 o'clock in the morning? Possible answers would be, yes, I do want to ride to the coffee shop. Yes, I do. No, I don't want to ride my bike to the coffee shop. I prefer to drive to the coffee shop. I prefer to drive my car to the coffee shop. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are about what you have, what is yours, what you possess. Okay, so they change with the pronoun. So for the pronoun I, the possessive adjective would be my car. The pronoun you, the possessive adjective would be your car. He, his car. She, her car. We, our car. You, your cars. They, their cars. This is a cat. It is her cat. The cat belongs to her. It is her cat. Why don't you look around at what is yours? Is that your computer, your desk, your couch? List all the things that are yours and all the things that are somebody else's in your house. Possessive adjectives. Number 1, it is the cat's ball. The cat has a ball. It is the cat's ball. That is its ball. It is the cat's ball. Number 2, it is the girl's computer. It is her computer. It is the people's family. It is their family. We live in a house. It is our house. The house is our house. Number 5. It is the man's car. It is his car. Number 6. I go to school in this building. It is my school. Number 7. You bought a new TV. It is your TV. Number 8. You are on a soccer team. It is your team. Knowledge check. Does she want to play football today? Answer, no, blank. Want to play football today. She wants to play tomorrow. What is the correct answer? Does not, do not, maybe, maybe not. Question 2. Is that our dog, my dog, and your dog? No, that is her dog. No, that is our dog. No, that is my dog. No, that is his dog. No, that is a cat. Question 3. In my spare time, I like to play video games with my friend. What is the correct picture? 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Question 1. Does she want to play football today? Answer. No, she does not want to play football today. She wants to play tomorrow. Question 2. Is that our dog, my dog, and your dog? No, that is her dog. Question 3. In my spare time, I like to play video games with my friend. Which is the correct picture? Number 2 is the correct picture. So let's review planning. Today we learned about asking questions, about various activities and making suggestions for things to do and planning. And we also looked at possessive adjectives like my, your, mine, hers. That's all for today. See you next time.